In front of me is Samsung Tab S10 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on gear icon at the top of it. Then scroll down to access theme section and apply the best one by tapping on it and going back. If you want to try something more interesting, go into Play Store and switch your keyboard to Gboard. To do that, download this app from Google Developer and launch it. Select Enable in Settings. Click on gray switcher next to Gboard and confirm your choice in Attention pop-up. Then go back. Select Input Method by clicking on Gboard here. Hit Done. Tap on Theme and apply a perfect one by clicking on it. Then manage key borders. Hit Apply and wait. So when I go back now, as you can see, my keyboard was switched to Gboard and then theme of it was changed. To customize it though, click on this icon of a color palette at the top of Gboard. Select this plus under My Themes and click on the photo that you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move and select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!